Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Ferrari SF90 and the BMW M240i. We'll dive into their performance figures, examine their distinct design philosophies, and discuss the features that set them apart. This comparison will highlight the unique strengths of each vehicle, helping you understand what makes them special in their respective segments. Let's get started. When it comes to raw power, the Ferrari SF90 is in a league of its own. Its advanced hybrid powertrain delivers an astonishing 986 horsepower, launching it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.5 seconds. The BMW M240i, while less extreme, still offers impressive performance with 382 horsepower, achieving 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.1 seconds. Both provide thrilling acceleration, but the Ferrari pushes the boundaries of speed. Beyond performance, these vehicles diverge significantly in design. The Ferrari SF90 is a two-seat mid-engine supercar, prioritizing extreme aerodynamics and a driver-focused cockpit. Its exterior is sculpted for maximum downforce and visual drama. In contrast, the BMW M240i is a four-seat front-engine coupe, offering a more practical yet sporty design. It provides a comfortable interior with modern technology, making it suitable for both spirited drives and everyday commuting. Considering the price, the Ferrari SF90 represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering, with a starting price around $500,000. It's an investment in cutting-edge hybrid technology and unparalleled performance. The BMW M240i, on the other hand, offers exceptional value, starting at approximately $53,000. It delivers a fantastic driving experience and premium features at a much more accessible price point. For those looking to optimize their daily routine, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.